Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a review on Monzo. We'll be taking an in-depth kind of look at Monzo, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this digital-only kind of bank, including the different types of Monzo accounts, interest rates and savings options, the key benefits of paid Monzo Plus and premium account, so that you can decide if it's right for your finances. So without much further ado, let's get started. First things first, Monzo offers 3 tiers of bank accounts. You've got Monzo Basic, which is free, Monzo Plus, which stands at £5 per month, and Monzo Premium at £15 per month. The free basic account gives you access to Monzo's core features such as their debit card, budgeting tools, and easy spending tracking. It's completely free to open. Plus and Premium add perks such as the higher interest rates, travel insurance, and phone insurance for a monthly fee. We'll be exploring the differences more later on. Opening a basic Monzo account is quick and easy, especially compared to legacy banks that may require you to visit a branch and submit piles of paperwork. Since Monzo is a digital-only kind of bank, you can sign up directly from their application in minutes, and this makes them popular with international workers and students moving to the UK. Their mobile application aims to be intuitive and user-friendly. Once you start spending on your Monzo debit card, the app automatically categorizes your transactions to help you track where your money goes. Categories include bills, entertainment, groceries, subscriptions, and more. I found Monzo's auto-categorization to be pretty accurate overall. Maybe every once in a while some transaction gets mislabeled, but you can easily recategorize anything that is incorrect. So the spending data feeds into Monzo's summary tab, which highlights your totals for the month across categories like food, transport, and clothing. The more transactions you categorize, the more accurate your summary becomes. And this feature is a great way to visualize where your money goes each month and spot areas for potential savings. For example, you may notice that you're spending excessively on takeaway and could cut that back. In addition to the tracking spending, Monzo also allows you to set budgets for categories like entertainment, groceries, and bills. To create a budget, tap the pie chart icon and navigate to the budget section, and there you can allocate money to different categories for the month. As you spend, Monzo will warn you if you're on track to exceed a budget. You'll get notifications letting you know if you're spending too quickly in a certain area. And the combination of spending summaries and customizable budgets makes it easy to gain control over your finances each month. Additionally, Monzo can help you save money. Monzo offers savings pods that let you automatically distribute the funds into different goals. For example, you can have a pod for an upcoming vacation, another one for holiday shopping, and one for bills or rent. Money you add to pods will be set aside for those purposes and help you budget. So in terms of interest rates, Monzo won't be winning any awards. Their basic savings account currently offers around 0.1%, which comes out to 1.32% APY, not exactly impressive in the era of high inflation. They do offer additional savings account types, including the easy access ISA, tax-free savings, and a fixed saver for longer terms kind of goals. The Plus and Premium paid accounts provide slightly higher interest rates on savings. However, at 1.5% on up to £2,000 in the Premium account, you'd still lose money against inflation. So while Monzo's automatic saving features are handy budgeting tools, I wouldn't rely on them solely for growing wealth long-term compared to other investment products. I would say that their strength is more on the budgeting and tracking kind of side. For using Monzo abroad, one major perk of Monzo for travelers is that there are no extra foreign transaction fees or charges when using your card abroad. ATM withdrawals within the European Union are free. For other countries, you get £200 free every 30 days and then a 3% charge per withdrawal. Monzo Plus users get £400 for free, and the premium users get £600 for free before charges apply. So Monzo is a great travel companion that avoids nasty hidden fees when making purchases or withdrawing cash overseas. And this can really add up on a long trip. Monzo also aims to make domestic and international money transfers simple and easy. When paying someone nearby, you can send money to friends using just your phone's Bluetooth when you're physically close to each other. Also for the bank transfers, standard bank transfers to other UK accounts are completely free and fast. And finally, for the international transfers, Monzo partners with Wise, formerly TransferWise, for international payments at favorable exchange rates. So Monzo has you covered for moving money around both domestically and even globally. At the end of the day, Monzo offers a convenient, user-friendly banking experience that makes it very easy to track your spending and stick to budgets. Even without paying for Plus or Premium, their free basic account provides robust core features. However, the premium accounts provide some nice perks that may or may not be worth it for your personal needs. You're mostly paying for the novel metal debit card, some extra interest and travel related kind of extras, but if you just want an innovative mobile bank, the basic account has you covered. Let us know your own thoughts on Monzo in the comment section down below, and if digital banks like these or related topics interest you, then don't forget to subscribe for more content about personal finance and technology, and hope to see you guys in the next one.